Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to buy and Kakobuy. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Kakobuy website. That's right. And then after that, you just have to sign up for an account, or if you have an account already, so you just have to log in. So right here, you just have to enter the product link, your name, store link, or the PI. So for example, I'm just going to, search for a random product. For example, we have this mirror. So if you want to purchase this one, you just have to tap on this product. And then another tab will open where you can see the full details of the product that you are planning to purchase. So here I'm just going to select my color classification. And then for the source of the product, we have a Taobao. That's right. And then we have here the shipping fee as well. Okay. So after that, you just have to select your quantity as well. And then Kakobuy will only purchase for you according to the link you enter. So if you have any doubts regarding your orders, you have to reach out to their online service. Okay, and then the displayed products are from third-party platforms, and Kakobuy only provides information search, purchasing, and delivery services. Therefore, Kakobuy cannot, identify the quality and the authenticity of the goods. And using Kakobuy's purchasing service means you accept the, above risk by default. So after that, you just have to simply tap on the buy now option. Okay, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And here you just have to confirm your order. Okay, so let me just confirm this one. Then after that, you have, the details. So you just have to scroll down and tap on the submit order. So yeah, you also need to proceed with the payment options. And after that, you're now good to go. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.